So from the last video, what I've then thought is, the Roman numerals of sort of the main system of it don't mean a thing, and simplifying it just for myself, right? Because I'm not thinking about, the minor 7 flat 5 and bar, 8 on, 2 of the 3 A sections, right? I want to think a little bit more broadly about, the tonality and the subdominant dominant, and that takes us to, what's really going on in sort of bars, the third bar. Now, interesting enough, the first 4 bars kind of lay the groundwork. So it's like in bar 3, there's actually movement that gets you back to the natural minor. So the methodology that I've described last video doesn't immediately work. But anyway, instead of focusing on bar 3, you're focusing on bar 4. So the resolution and the bass happens as the relative minor. So that's pretty straightforward. Then bars, then bar 7 of the A sections resolve to the major, your tonic. And then in the B section, your third bar resolves to your subdominant. And then in bar 7, it resolves to the dominant. So really, you've got like this, broadened, sort of almost like a bluesy form, because you're working on the tonic, the relative minor, the dominant, and the subdominant, and then from there everything falls out of it. So the B section, for example, what's going on in the first bar of the B section? Well, you're that from that simplification video, you're the 2 of your subdominant. So in C, your subdominant is F, so you're playing a G minor, right? And then what happens in bars 2 and 4 are tension to get in and out of those things. So the minor of the subdominant, and then the same thing happens in bar 5 of the B section. You're looking at G, which is your dominant, and then your minor of your subdominant's A. There you go. And the chord changes just kind of fall out of that approach.